Right. Hi, my name is Nanda and I'm from Kuala Lumpur and I represent Biotech Malaysia, and it's an honor to be here. Thank you to Dr. Ashwin Porwal, and it has been truly a great day learning the skills and knowledges of fistula, tract closure and also pilonatal sinus. So I can see some bright light on each of my surgeons in Malaysia. So hopefully they can start the cases soon in Malaysia and serve the patients over there. So thank you so much again. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Xiao from Malaysia. Just like to thank the team here in Healing Hands Clinic and Biotech for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Definitely Dr. Ashwin has techniques has been very eye-opening, and hope that we can bring back the skills and then start performing the surgeries in Malaysia. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mohan from Kolhapur, Malaysia. This whole day has been very eye-opening and is very knowledgeable, and I think we learned a lot from Dr. Ashwin and his team on managing complex fistulas and pilonatal sinus. It has been truly an eye-opener, and I think the hospitality has been great. Hopefully we will be able to have more collaborations in the future.
Hi, I'm Dr. Azari from Malaysia. So I really want to thank Dr. Ashwin for all the demonstration of the case today. It really gives a new perspective of how the laser been applied, especially for pilonatal sinus, fistula in anal, as well as hemorrhoid. So I hope one day I will be able to perform the case, and of course thank you very much again. We really appreciate all the effort done by Dr. Ashwin and the team. Thank you very much.